Hi, my name is Zena and this is Zena Report, and in this video I show you how I pack everything for a 10-day trip to Costa Rica in only a backpack. So now I have to fit all my belongings for a 10-day vacation into this backpack. Tell you what I have here. So I have 9 pairs of clothing because the first day we're traveling and the last day we have a red-eye flight. So it's really 8 days of clothing and 1 extra. So here I have pants and shorts. And then here is shirts, mostly short sleeves, a few long sleeves, some pajamas. Here is a bathing suit and a cover up. We have underwear and socks. This is a little foldable towel in a bag. These are the bags I will be using. It's my hairbrush, some hair thingies. Here are all my toiletries, such as deodorant, sunscreen, things like that. Then we have electronics, and this is my portable charger, and I have some things for the camera. This is my microphone. I have headphones, phone chargers, backup, some other cables, and this is all gonna go in there. Of course, some tampons, which are gonna go in this bag here. Very minimal makeup, just a few things, 1 blush, 1 light foundation, a brush for each of those, mascara, eye pencil for the brows, 1 lip color, 1 lip balm. Then I have a little Peter Thomas Roth water drench moisturizer. And I have the bigger version of this for myself at home. I love this, especially when my face is very dry, which on airplanes I can tend to get that way. So this is gonna come with me handy for the airplane. By the way, guys, comment down below if you use moisturizer on an airplane, if you find that your skin is drier than usual. I'm gonna lay out all my toiletries from this bag to show you what I am taking. Okay, so the first thing I have is Luggage makeup remover wipes. Guys, these are from Aldi and I really love their brand. This is a little Olay body wash, small size, and then a small deodorant. Here is some bug spray. There's still about a half of the bottle left. And then I have CeraVe, which is a moisturizer, and I like to use this on my face as a moisturizer. This is a coconut body lotion, which I like to use after the shower. This is my conditioner. This is sunscreen, 50 SPF. And guys, this is CeraVe, another sunscreen, but this is what I use on my face. And then this here is the shampoo. And the shampoo and conditioner I just took from my regular shampoo and conditioner, put it in there. And then these are my dental items, toothpaste, toothbrush, and floss. Okay, and all of these fit into my big Ziploc bag. With these bags, guys, I just bought them specifically for this trip. This was my splurge. So I got it from Sierra. This is Eagle Creek, and it's a set of 3. And it says large, medium, and small. And what I'm gonna try to do is use the large one for my pants, medium for socks and undies, and then the small, I don't know yet what I'm gonna use the small for. Maybe for odds and ends, hair things like that. And then my shirts will probably have to go loose or in Ziploc bags. And then I actually have one more thing here, which is a rain jacket. It's very, very thin, very packable, and I also got this at Sierra. And hopefully all of it fits in this bag, and then in addition I'm also gonna wear slippers. And guys, I have these socks. These are compression socks. My legs tend to really swell up when I fly, so I always try to wear. And the last thing is 2 of these, and these are waterproof phone pouches, so I can bring you guys along, bring my phone along, and take some videos. And lastly, I have disposable masks, black paper masks. I'm not gonna take the whole bag, but I am gonna bring some. So let's get this packing started. Okay, so as you can see, I am done organizing everything. Here are my toiletries. This is a pack of masks. So as you can see, I found this gray little bag, and all my shirts fit in here except for these 2 long sleeve ones. And then all my shorts, leggings, and pants fit in here except for this 1 pair of long pants. And then in the small one, my bathing suit and cover up fit perfectly. And then this is all socks and undies, bras, rain jacket, the towel, and some miscellaneous. We still have to get the electronics bag. Now let's see if everything fits into this luggage. So this luggage is called Torrid. I actually got it a few years ago on Amazon with a coupon for $5. $5, guys. And this is a packable suitcase, so it actually folds down into a tiny carry bag. And it has this pocket in the front, which is very deep, and then the second pocket, and then the main compartment. And then in the back here, you can see this is where it actually packs into itself. And then on the very bottom here, it has another little zipper, and it actually in here is a rain cover, which you can take out and cover the whole bag. I use this bag so much to travel and for other activities, guys, and I love it. I love it. It seems that this bag fits endless amount of stuff, and it's so thin and lightweight and sturdy. I will try to find the link to this on Amazon. I'm not sure if it's still on there, but if it is, I will link it for you. Okay, let's see if everything fits. Okay, so mission accomplished, packing complete. As you can see, this is the finished product. Everything fits. I put the masks on this side pocket here. The only thing that didn't fit in this front pocket, because it's already too stretched out, was the electronics case, but it fits pretty snugly in here. So this will stay here. I forgot to tell you guys, I also packed flip-flops for the water. And that's it. A 10-day trip in 1 backpack. Mission accomplished. Can't wait for tomorrow, you guys. Can't wait to take you with me on this trip. See ya on the way or at the airport.